Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring both devices have sufficient power. Low battery causes pairing failures. On your watch, open Bluetooth settings and keep the phone nearby for quicker discovery. Put the earbuds in pairing mode, usually by holding the case button so they broadcast. Once the watch scans, choose the earbud name and confirm pairing. If prompted, accept permissions for audio, notifications, and media. This step gets the hardware ready and prevents interruptions when you move to routing audio through the watch. After devices are discoverable, select your earbuds as the watch's audio output. This routes media and calls directly. If your earbuds support a companion app, open it on the phone to enable advanced features like call audio and low latency modes. Once paired, play a short music track or podcast to confirm the connection and check microphone routing for calls. Make small volume adjustments on the watch and tweak the equalizer in the app if the sound seems off. This ensures reliable audio and a tuned listening experience. To finish, make using both devices seamless. Leave Bluetooth enabled so they auto-reconnect and set the watch as preferred media device when available. If audio drops, disconnect and repair the earbuds. If problems persist, reset the earbuds and re-establish pairing. Make sure the watch and phone have required permissions and that firmware is up to date to fix compatibility bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: if connection repeatedly fails, restart both the watch and phone before repairing. That clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts and usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.